I wanna walk around, strolling around, go over town. Under the Zhuhai moon, it makes you wanna go out, check it all out. Just a strolling out and about under that Zhuhai moon. Under the big old Zhuhai moon. Fashion and people all around we see, from trendy boutiques to a warm cup of tea. So many restaurants just a stone's throw away. In this vibrant neighborhood we could stay all day. Under the Zhuhai moon, it makes you wanna go out, check it all out. Just a strolling out and about under that Zhuhai moon. Under the big old Zhuhai moon. Fashion and people all around we see, from trendy boutiques to a warm cup of tea. So many restaurants just a stone's throw away. In this vibrant neighborhood we could stay all day. Under the Zhuhai moon, it makes you wanna go out, check it all out. Just a strolling out and about under that Zhuhai moon. Under the big old Zhuhai moon.
This is kind of cool though. It says eating is personal, there's no need to follow others. That's kind of a cool thing. Stay cool and relaxed, sorry for the hassle. So they have some English writing. Whenever in the walk it works. Okay. So that's kind of a cool looking place. If I was a young person, I'd want to go there, especially good chicken rice. Bagus. So let's walk into this complex. There's more of those cool South China trees. Zhuhai in particular, there's more of these trees in Zhuhai than there is in Macau. So they must have planted them. Okay, let's go right into the middle here and see what it's all about. Sites with Zhuhai for you, up on the map. Kimka Creative Valley, a little bit of restaurants and bars in this kind of creative block. So you can park and then you can have this entire block where you can kind of meander through. And that's what I did. And I kind of stumbled upon it. I didn't really know about it beforehand. And I was just kind of learning it as I'm showing it. So take that in mind as well. Let's go check it out. Sites of Zhuhai, Kimka Creative Valley, Nightlife and Restaurants. So this is kind of interesting. There's a coffee shop, but in this red stairwell. That is interesting. I don't know what it leads to. It looks like it's just to the apartment, but it's nice design. And what I'm really curious about is the reason I'm here anyways is because I saw something for live music, and so I see something over here called Red Club, and I just curious if there was like some kind of stuff going on around in this area. It looks like there is. Never heard of it, but it looks like there is quite a bit of interesting stuff actually. Including like there's a burger joint here. It says Salute Bake Shop. So it looks kind of like a night one. There's even some nice icon stuff right there as well. Just kind of pinpoint that one real quick. It's pretty cool. It's cool. And they got a little burger spot right there too. And a barber shop. This one looks kind of like a barbecue place, but it looks like it might have live music. There's a bunch of people on the wait staff right there inside. And I think I see some drums right there. There's a stage and some drums. So there's definitely some interesting stuff around here. Fancy curry, that looks really good over there too. So yeah, it looks like we kind of stumbled into something worth exploring. Just kind of curious what this one is. This is fancy curry. Get rich. Oh, that looks pretty good. They're all kind of looks like a mix of something I might see in. That's good. Even a little dice up there too. I might come back here. That 11 to 9, so that's open in the evening. Hello. So that looks kind of interesting as well. So yeah, there's like a little complex in here. That's actually one of the things about that I'm discovering about Zhuhai is, you know, not everything is just on the main street. Like they're kind of inside stuff a little bit. It's like what we're seeing now. So we were on that main street, and then now suddenly there's like a flower shop. Let's kind of see what else we got around here. Pull tab. Coffee shop, coffee and tea. Looks like another, we'll go around that side too in a minute. So there's stuff over there. There's also a coffee shop over here. And then we're just gonna go right into the middle here. Huh. There's all kinds of stuff in here. Never heard of this neighborhood. I mean, there's a lot of neighborhoods I haven't heard of. There's something way up there that says M1 Choice. So this video will be kind of a combination of stuff, right? Oh, here's the music bar that I saw that I was kind of curious about. It says music bar and cocktail. Zhuhai music space. I wonder what this would be like as a foreigner to visit something like this. Like, it's hard to know if it would be welcome or not. The only way to really know is to go. So another coffee shop here. Huh. New beer on tap. Huh. Interesting. On tap. And then there's this giant, I forget the name of that statue, but it's like a whole little bar area. Kind of a nightlife area with restaurants and lots of coffee shops in here. So yeah, you just don't really know what to expect, do you? I don't even know what the name of this would be. Oh wow. Check that out. Kimka Creative Valley, it says way up there. Huh. There's another one up there. So we're definitely in some kind of, that's what's funny. This actually has Korean. It says Nankol Sonim. So yeah, some kind of Korean place. Oops. Well, see, it's written in Korean here, but then everything else in here is Chinese and it's not Korean food. See a better stuff again. There's other stuff over there. It looks like a kind of a Korean place over there. Maybe they're like more like barbecue, like Chinese barbecue. That looks interesting too. I kind of wanted to go back behind me. I guess we're gonna go this way. We'll just commit ourselves to. Oh, these look really good too. Huh. Folk bar. This is why you don't really see many people in Zhuhai in Macau, because they got all their own stuff. Yeah. There's a billiards up there, so you could. Sometimes the billiards is. Huh. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. It's gonna film that street, right? But it's kind of important that you see how this goes together. But then I feel like this one deserves its own YouTube, just, you know, just this little complex alone. There's even a little Simpsons thing way in the back. That's kind of the thing about China in general, is it's like you can research all you want about Zhuhai, you're not gonna find much. But when you're here on the ground, there's a lot going on. And that's actually kind of common throughout all of China, in my experience. Yeah, if you were a young person, you would 100% come up to these areas. Let's go down this way. Another big stairwell up here too. Huh. Okay, so this spot is not much going on, so we'll turn the camera on up there. As an aside, there's something going on right there too. Like that could be another, could be anything. Could be security or it could be a bar. Plane. Chongqing noodle. Huh. Yeah, oh, man. Zhuhai is just so big. There's so many things going on, you know. Trying to like see if I know where everything is at, and I realize that I don't know anything because there's this stuff around, hidden around corners that you wouldn't even expect. Like you wouldn't go down a main road and just kind of see that all this stuff was here. Let me see. We're gonna go around to the front, so we're gonna go straight up that way. I'll turn the camera on up there. Well, here's a hotel, Qianmen Hotel. So somebody saw this and they really wanted to be right in this spot, see what it's all about. There it is. Here's the hotel to stay at. Okay, so now we're out kind of near the front. There's a KTV right there. Some bikes going by. I saw a Burger King there, so there must be some fast food around the corner there. This is kind of a major street going through. And then over here, let's see if we can sneak by. There's some beautiful architecture right over here. It says on the city. So that architecture looks really interesting. You also got bikes and pedestrians in the same spot over here. So that kind of varies a little bit as well. It's another one. Okay, and then right over here, it looks like we have an entrance. So there's a few. There's one right there. Let me just kind of walk over that way and get out of the kind of semi-pedestrian, semi. So in here it looks like a mall. Looks fairly quiet. Oh, the air conditioning feels great. An electronics mall? It's like an electronics mall. Okay, so anyways, guess what we're gonna do is we're going to finish this around the corner real quick, and then that'll be it. But you're kind of getting another feel for Zhuhai. Yeah, it's just kind of more electronics. So you're kind of getting to know more that's around here. And we're gonna end the video over here, so I just want to capture what this is all about. And I think there's a lot that I didn't catch in this video. But yeah, it's like another restaurant right here. Different restaurants all the way around. Huh. Beautiful lanterns. So we're gonna end the video, so kind of interesting. Hope you like that one. So I said Zhuhai, I'm just getting to know it myself. So I'm actually gonna end the video over here because I can see some of the advertising, including Qianmen Hotel, and there's even some like dice stuff over there too. Burger King is right here, so that's like right on the corner. KTV, and then right over there it says Kimka Creative Valley. So there's like a pool hall. I also just walked by another pool hall over here too. So anyways, that's kind of what this little corner is all about. So now we're gonna come to an end. Actually, it's the train line. So this is the fast trains that go all over to China. So yeah, this is actually for that. And it's gonna rain. Anyways, thought I'd add that in there. I'm gonna come right back out to the front. So I guess this says the creative spot. I'm gonna search for one more thing and then we're gonna end it. I kind of was just curious what it looks like right at this time when the lights are still a little bit early. By the way, it's a Wednesday right now, so we're much too early for bars. I just didn't even expect anything though, so it's surprising. It's Wednesday about 6 p.m. and it's about ready to rain. It does look nice now though, with the lighting. There are some people around. Yeah. This is a folk bar. Oh, they even have live music up there too. So this one actually is going to have music. So right up there, let me just see. So right up there. Yeah. Music tonight? Music? There? Oh, tonight. Okay. Pretty cool. And this one right here is called Rich House. It looks kind of cool. Has kind of a, there's like a little bit of a bar right down on the corner there. So yeah, looks cool. Oh. Okay. So I guess we'll end it there. Huh. Actually, just end it here, but the Rich House is right down that way, and it looks like there's kind of a hangout place here too, and more kind of barbecue stuff, and it looks like a billiard hall around the corner too. So there's this kind of all kinds of interesting stuff. Yeah, and then our train line is right over there, so we just kind of added a few more things around here. All right. This will be the final one across the parking lot, but yeah, there's like highbrow, there's a whole little row of stuff up there, billiards, so it looks like you can go in, there's more stuff it looks like. So yeah, that kind of, there's more younger people out and about now too, so yeah, kind of interesting. Anyways.